Trader, Sunday morning, August 5th, 2018. I'm going to report on ticker symbol CELZ. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Go to the site, thetradingteacher.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reporting on ticker symbol CELZ, Creative Med Technology. Last update, I stated there was resistance Thursday evening into Friday. We're at resistance. It looks like it's going to head lower. We found out that that did happen. That was its resistance. Traders actually took some profits. You notice this downtrend over here that I stated in the previous tutorial. Higher lows lower highs every single time, and that holds true. As you can see, it looks like another progression going downwards. It could possibly break the support level. This uptrend is the only support it has. I mean, there's a bunch of them. There's one right here, but those are really weak, you know, and they won't do justice. It's right now on some selling pressure. The uptrend is right here, this uptrend. If it holds to that level and bounces off there, it will be okay. But from the looks of it, it doesn't look okay. I say to buy over here, up move came, resistance over here, called it, and now it looks like it's trailing back down. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses.